Today I went to my favorite local nursery. I love it here because everything is extremely reasonably priced compared to the big box stores. I like growing as much as I can from seed, but I do get excited to come here and buy a few things here and there. I came specifically for jalapeno plants because none of mine sprouted for some reason, but like I said, I'm not complaining. Any excuse to come and buy plants. Of course, I left with more than just some jalapeno plants. It's very hard to resist all the different plants, all the different varieties, especially when everything just looks so beautiful and healthy. They have a ton of variety too. And I honestly feel like it's different every year. I don't remember a lot of these varieties last year, so I feel like they switch it up. They have all these boxes that you can take so you can comfortably shop around and hold all your plants. That's everything I was gonna get. I ended up putting the Bella Rosas back because I was getting a little carried away, acting like I have all this room in my backyard, and I really don't, especially for indeterminate tomatoes. Like, it's just for this price. It's so easy to buy now and figure it out later. And they have hundreds of plants on a constant rotation, so they're always selling them at different sizes as well. They even have those 1-gallon tomatoes that are a really large size, and they're like less than $6, whereas at Walmart or Lowe's they sell these for like $20+, which is crazy. And in the main store they have soil, fertilizer, seeds. I love their little seed corner. This place just definitely feels like your friendly neighborhood nursery, and I love it here.